Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some WeatherGuard bins for storing things on your van shelving. Let's get into it. All right, this is actually a newer design from WeatherGuard. They redesigned their red bins. Well, it's probably been about a year now, maybe a little longer, and they fit a lot better on the shelf themselves. So I'm excited to see these. And these are sold as a 6-pack. This part number happens to be 9859-7-02. This is 6 bins of the 6 by 7.89 by 15.5 inch. So just pull one of these out. You don't need all of them, but you can see these are narrower bins from WeatherGuard. They have the WeatherGuard brands as part of the mold now. But these fit nicely in the shelf. They even have like a little spot right here for them to rest on the edge of the shelf lip, if you will. But just a couple of things to point out here is we do have a little location right here if you wanted to put in a label or something like that, so you can label your inventory, stock, whatever you may need. Looks like there are some little locations right here for divider. I'm not aware of if they sell those or not. I haven't seen them, but I could be mistaken. Looks like they do have that capability if you needed that. And yeah, overall, just a very structural shelf bin. Let's see how well these stack together. Yep, they do have grooving right in here for a bottom of one bin to fit into the next. So if you're loading up at the supply house, you can take all of your bins like this, load up your components, bring it into the van, and you're good to go. So again, we have 6 of them here, just making sure there's nothing else in the box. Installation of this, of course, is going to be pretty straightforward. Take it out of the box, slide it into the shelf, and you're good to go. So these are sold as a set of 6. So you're not buying these individually, and these are going to fit nicely in your WeatherGuard shelves. Great thing about WeatherGuard is they do have their lifetime warranty, so you're going to be protected from any manufacturing defects, anything like that. These are heavy duty, so these are going to last you a really long time. These are not those cheap, flimsy bins that you can find, some stores. So it's a high quality product made for somebody who is in the trades and going to abuse them and use them. This is part of the Red Zone accessories from WeatherGuard. So all the WeatherGuard shelving and partition are in that bright white powder coat finish. So it's a nice bright back in the van, and then you have these accents in the reds, and so you can get their bins and their hooks and some things like that in the red color. So it's a nice accessory to help you organize things in the back of your van. Now, if you're looking for these bins with shelves, partitions, flooring, liners, ramps, steps, whatever you may need to get your van or truck ready for work, we've got what you need at UpfitSupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.